In 2023, a deep-sea probe near Guam recorded a sound unlike anything ever heard before. It lasted 11 seconds, its pitch shifting, as if something was answering its own echo. Scientists ruled out whales, machines, and earthquakes. The source came from nearly 7 miles down, the Mariana Trench, cold and silent. A week later, the instruments went dead. When the probe was recovered, its metal shell was covered with claw-like marks. The sound never repeated, but in the recordings, a faint whisper remains, one that no one can explain. They call it simply the deep call.